Got this Hyundai i10 and the boot button's gone in. To get access to the boot, first take the screw off that's inside here, then pull on this. That will be your manual lever to take your boot open. You can see the boot button there, fully broken. Okay, take the 10mm nuts off from here, in here, and that should give you access to take this Hyundai logo up. There you go, there's the button, it's broken. Test the new button, very good. Take the old button out. Feed the cable through. Now put these 10mm nuts back in and tighten them up. There's a third one actually just here as well that needs putting back on. Finally, you're just going to put this case back on your screw and you're done. Pass that screw back in, panel on, let's test it out. That's it. Perfect.